Hi, welcome to CAD-TECH. This is a quick tutorial in using architectural units in making a floor plan. I have attached a drawing here. I'll zoom it for you to view it clearly. So it uses architectural units because it has feet and then inches. So we will be using that units in this drawing. So to start, let's set our units first. So we usually use decimals in our drawing. So first drawing, we will be using architectural, and our smaller unit is in inches, and our precision is still 0.0 or 0-0. Then press OK. We can create layers for this drawing, or let's just create layers so you get used to it. So we have this is a computer room. So we have a wall. We have a door and the tables. We just put dimensions and labels. Double click the wall. Select line or click line or type L in your command line. Type 41 feet. I have issues with my keyboard, so it takes a lot of times before I'm able to get the feet. There. 41 feet, and then press enter. To view the entire drawing area, just type zoom or type Z, enter, and press A, or type A and then press enter. You just need to scroll using your mouse, and then we have here 30. So again, apostrophe, enter, scroll down. So this is, if you will add 11 plus 15 plus 13, that is 39. So we will type 39 feet. Okay. Enter. Going up, we have 25. And then 2 feet. Just close it. We'll be using offset. So the thickness of our wall is 6 inches. So offset. If you will be using inches, you don't need to put the symbol anymore. Just type the number directly on the command line and then press enter. Because the default units in our computer, if you're using architectural, is inches. Let's use fillet with radius of 0. This is the easiest way to trim and connect lines. Then when you're done, you will be making a cutout or a space for our door. So that's one foot. So offset, let's type 1 and then the apostrophe, enter. And then the width of our door is 2 feet and 8. So 2 feet sorry, 2 feet. It takes a lot of time for me to get this. 2 feet and 8. So that's how you will type it. You type 2 apostrophe and then 8. And then let's trim this part for our door. So click trim again, cutting edge. So we don't need to cut multiple times. We have 2 doors here down. So it's both the same measurement. So from here it's 1 feet and 6. So offset 1 feet and 6. Okay, my battery is full. And then we offset the width of our door, which is 2 feet and 8. So repeat the command, press enter. 2 feet and 8. And then press enter. So let's trim. Sorry. Trim and then cutting edge. Select all. Let's make the other side. Same measurement. 1 feet and 6. And then press enter again to repeat the command. 2 feet and 8. Go to trim. Select the cutting edge. Just select all. This is to avoid us from repeating our trim command or cutting so many lines. Now let's make our column. We have here 4 columns with a dimension of 1 inch. Let's just create a box outside. Type D, or you can type A for the area since it's a square. So you just need to type 1 feet and then enter. Okay, let's just create a box over this area. So click, type D for the dimensions. The dimension is 1 by 1. 1 and then 1 again. The width and the length of the rectangle is 1 by 1. Now we need to click in the screen and then press enter. We need to position our column 11 feet from the wall and then 15 feet. So let's put a guideline. So 11 feet. Oh my goodness. And 15. I don't usually use the apostrophe. Maybe that's why I'm having problem with my apostrophe in my keyboard. Let's just copy, delete these lines, and then for below we'll just copy this part, copy, and then let's position it down. Now let's go to the door. Let's create our door. So on my previous tutorial in floor plan, this is our door. This art shows the swing of your door or how you will open the door. So we will do the same. Click rectangle and then half, and then rotate the rectangle for our door. And then you can just put an arc here if you prefer that, like that. And let's do the same here. Rotate. Let's use arc instead. This is the end point, the center point. Again, rotate. Now once we're done with our door, let's proceed to our table. So the tables is created using array. So we will just create one table which measures 5 feet by 2. So click rectangle, type D. So the length of our rectangle is 5 feet. Here we go again, 5 feet. And then the width is 2. So go to rectangular array, select the objects, press enter. Let's make our rows 2. And then let's go back. We can change the spacing of our columns or rows in the properties below. It's 5. Let's change to 4. I'm just estimating because it's too much. 5. Okay, and then the spacing below. If it's been done, close, and you can just copy it. Copy. Let's position it in the middle. I will no longer create more. You know already how. So what we need to do next is to make our dimensions. Go to dimensions, and then for your dimension style, it's just the same. You create, click new, input the file name or the name that you like, and then modify. Make the changes. So for my dimensions, I have here the extension beyond dimension lines and offset from the origin. It's 7 inches. For our symbols and arrows, I have my arrows at 9 inches and 1/4. The text is 8 and 1/4. Primary units, make sure it's in architectural 00, just the same like what our units, and then press OK. Click set current and then close. Now we're ready to add our dimensions. Select this one, enter, enter to repeat the command. So I'm done with the dimensions. What we need to do next is to put the leader. So the leader is your label here, the column times 4. That's a multi-leader. This is the one, so you just need to click it. So let's put the label here. Let's just type the name, column times 4, and then enter. So you will see that the arrowhead and the text is so small, so we will just change its properties. We right click it and go to the properties, change the arrowhead, make it 9, the landing distance, that is the length of the line before the text. Let's change the height of the text, height 9, and then the landing gap is the space between these lines and the text, maybe 5, and then close. So what else do we need to label? So let's add text now, just computer room. So add text, single line, click in your screen, and then the next click that you will be doing is the height of your text. So if you click here, that would be the height of your text. Just press enter. Our rotation is 0, so you see it's longer. So text, single line, and then enter. Let's type computer room. And then let's just move it in the proper location. There you go, our floor plan using architectural units. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorial. Thank you and God bless. See you next tutorial.